Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Hey, we got another freshwater engine here today. This one is a 1998 40 horse Evinrude. This is a 20-inch shaft, long shaft with power tilt. This one's been gone through top to bottom. 145 PSI on both cylinders. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. I do not guarantee that to be the correct prop for your boat. It'll come with a good use control box. Let's see here, new spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube. The lower unit has been pressure tested, and then we did clean the carburetors. We'll go ahead and get this one fired up here. Looks like we got a little bit of a dead battery. Just enough juice left to start it. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Neutral, reverse, back to neutral, shut it off, fire it back up. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.